Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. On Monday I shared a video about my mum and how she's bearing up after the operation she had to have on her knees just before Christmas. And many of you were very kind and messaged me saying how sorry you were to hear that she'd been out of action and asking how she was getting on. I'm very glad to say that my mum's basically doing okay. She's not fully mobile yet, but she's having physio and she's slowly managing to walk around a little bit. She's not at the stage of going out down the shops yet or being able to cycle or anything like that, but she's definitely on the mend. If you say that someone is on the mend, you mean that they're getting better after an accident or an injury or an illness. So you often hear things like, yeah, he's still in hospital, they're keeping him in overnight, but he's definitely on the mend. Or, the baby was really poorly last week, but he seems to be on the mend now. It's also sometimes used to talk about the economy when the economy is recovering from a very bad period. So on the news, you might hear things like, the economy finally seems to be on the mend after one of the worst recessions in years. And sometimes it's used to talk about relationships as well. So someone might say, for example, yeah, we went through a very rocky patch last year. I honestly thought that it might be the end of the relationship, but we had marriage guidance counselling and now our relationship seems to be on the mend. Things are looking up. So here's hoping. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use on the mend.